roll to the next exhibit! Jerome!
Gerald!
Jerome!
And it's a big one too. Oh, there he is. He's got a sibling now, Zach. He's in the kitchen.
What the fuck did you do now? You're good. I'm not fucking going in there. That's a dead trap.
You want me to do it?
Stop for it. Yeah, I'm not letting that bird shove me or poke me.
You got him.
Go
He's
for it.
right there. You had him.
Now don't step the extinguisher off.
Jesus
I'm
Christ.
an hour away.
Where is he?
We were just told that the door isn't even alarmed over there.
It's
So
not alarmed.
is that door alarmed?
Well, say we had a good reason.
So we were doing that whole trying to catch a bird for nothing. So let's go let this puppy out. All right, buddy, let's go. Oh God, I want to crush you. Oh shit. Come on, buddy. Oh shit. This way. Oh, this shit. Way.
Oh shit! Ah!
Your door to freedom is right here.
We did it. So, what did we do today? We saved an innocent life, a bird life. From a bird's eye view, you know. We were just trying to help him. He wasn't going according to the plan. Chelsea's still not back to open these doors, so we're gonna stay here.
Who would you like to give a shout out to?
Shout out to Abe Lincoln. You know, he never was a liar. You know, honest Abe. You know, he's the best president out there.
Without him, we couldn't have saved that bird.